Good morning, student. I am Umashankar Singh, science teacher. Today I teach you a state of matters and changes. So I discuss of these chapters. In previous classes, I also discuss of these things. The matter are divided mainly three groups: solid, liquid, and gases. So one example is given in previous classes. Water are in lies in three states: in solid, liquid, and gases. So matter can divide in matter can divide in three groups. Solid, liquid, and third one is gases. So matter is divided or classified in three groups: solid, liquid, and gases. Water lies in three forms: solid, liquid, and gases. So some example are given. The solid phase is ice. When water in below 4 degree temperature, then it is liquid to ice. So water form to formation of ice. So it is solid form. But upper more than 4 degree above, that is in the form of liquid, and 100 degree above, that is forming gases in vapor form. So three state I can explain in previous classes: solid, liquid, and gas. So in describe of solid, in his definite shape, size, volume, and mainly things, discuss the latent heat in this chapter. In this chapter, that is the heat. When heat is increases, then solid phase bond is in solid form. Bond is very tightly here. But when temperature increases, then bond is weaker and break inside that solid. Then bond are broken, then they form in liquid form, and again bond are broken, then that is in the form of gaseous form. So that is interact the molecule each together when completely tightly compact together. That is the form of solid formation, that is say to ice formation. But when lose the bond, means heat is generated, then it is formed in liquid form, and then again temperature is increases, then that is formed in vapor. So that is say to that is gaseous form. So our water is lie in three states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. When you some experiment are do inside your home, when some ice cube are taken in a pot and when heated on a gas, then that is when temperature increases, means our temperature is increases to pot in conduction medium to convection medium, means conduction is solid medium, convection is liquid medium, and radiation is vacuum or air medium, gaseous medium. Say to that is gaseous medium. So that cases you watch ice cube are melt, then form in water, means that bond is break inside the molecule. So that is weaker bond is developed, so that ice is formed in liquid, that is say to water. When water is heated, that bond is break inside the molecule, or that is formed in the gaseous form. So that three state is developed, that is changes 1 to another form, that is say to matter can changes. In liquid has no definite shape and size. Gases has compressed, that is density is high, more compressive, but not definite shape and size. When that cylinder types, it is compressed, that is cylindrical type. So liquid are taken in glass, so glass size. In a bucket, bucket size. So no definite shape and size, but volume is that shape and size are decided. But solid have definite shape and size. One thing another is when some solid are convert into direct in gaseous process. Some solid are in convert into direct gaseous process. That process is said to sublimation process. In that process, that object is not convert in liquid directly, it is convert in gaseous process. So some example, camphor, sodium, that is said to sublimation process. So that solid is convert into gaseous process, that is said to sublimation process. If you camphor are burn, if any sodium are burn, that is direct burn in solid to gases. Okay, thank you.